Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Puracy's Everyday Surface Cleaner and our microfiber cleaning cloth to clean wood cabinets. So you might not clean wood cabinets that often. This could go for wood paneling or wood furniture. These are finished. This isn't raw wood, so it does have a finish on it. And they could get coated with grease and fingerprints and probably flour from baking and lots of different things. So you don't have to do it that often, but this is just a technique to go ahead and clean them. Two ways to clean it, as you've seen from the other videos. You either spray onto the towel or you can spray onto the actual cabinet itself. For this purpose, I'm going to show you just on the cabinet itself, just a little quicker. And much like the countertops, you're going to go ahead and square this up 2 feet by 2 feet. Since we're right about there, we could do the whole one panel here with one spray, but it is going to be that sweeping spray so you have a nice even coverage of cleaner across it. I'm going to demonstrate that. Just like that. You can see that it's just kind of nice fine mist across the entire thing. And then right here, just like with cleaning countertops or stainless steel, you're going to go nice tight overlapping passes. Special attention here on the handles. And as you can see here, I'm also going with the grain. Flip the towel, finish it up. And that's it.